This is what $850,000 gets you in Tanah Merah District 16. We take you on a tour inside this fully renovated designer weekend getaway of 452 square feet in the Glades. Let me tell you about the Condo Stats. Completed in the year 2016, the land size is 31,882 square meters. The GFA is 51,011 square meters and plot ratio 1.6. It's built up to 726 residential units with 9 blocks and up to 12 floors. And there are even 3 condo shops. Hey, welcome to the unit. So this is a 452 square feet fully renovated unit. So this is 60,000 of work that's been put in. You can see that the owners have put in this marble look-alike laminate in the carpentry in front of us, and this is a TV console with storage. You've got darkened shelvings at the base, and then above you've got transparent shelvings with glass that you can basically put your ornaments, so on and so forth. And let me just show you over here, there's a huge mirror panel in front of the living room, and this opens up into a ton of storage all the way to the ceiling. You've got KDK fan put in, you've got a vanity display over here, and this is a very functional aspect of the living room that the owner has done up, and it enables you to store away this table over here. So if you pull this out, you basically have a extendable drop-down foldable table just like this. Voila! So this extends out for you to host and house your friends over here when you're having a party, or when you're just having food, when you're laying it out for more than, let's say, 3 or 4 packs. Then it extends into the open kitchenette, which is a long countertop, and this is a beautiful white shade. Behind this you've got beige tiles going, and it's a very marble look-alike tile contour, which is fantastic. You've got white overhead carpentry, and beneath you've even got the microwave oven set in for you. There is a stowaway compartment for you to put in your washer and dryer. Then you've got the SMAC induction and hood overhead. So this is fire safe for a single or a bachelorette, because a lot of times they don't really have time and they're rushing around because of their busy lifestyle, and this is really childproof and safe in terms of fire safety. Then the sink and tap is over here with a drying area for your cups, your dishes, so on and so forth. You've got carpentry overhead and beneath. Then it continues on into a fridge space with carpentry overhead for you to put in storage. Then we've got the front door facing over here. So for feng shui enthusiasts, this is southeast facing into the bathroom, and the bathroom has been very neatly done up. You've got grey tiles lining the walls, and then you've got a very beautiful dark marble that coats the inner layer all the way into the standing shower area, and this is very nice and snazzy. And out here you have a very cute and petite dining area that's been set up for you just like this, and there is carpentry over here that's covering the DB box and where your Wi-Fi set goes. Then it leads you into the living room. So where we're standing overhead, you can see a strip of false ceiling, and you got downlights. This is predominantly where the 1-bedrooms would have their divider. So you will see in conventional 1-bedrooms, there is a sliding door and a partition over here, but our owners have decided to open this space all the way up. You can obviously reinstate it if you like, but I find that it's more functional in terms of space, because right here you have, your queen size bed, you got your side tables over here, you got a full huge 2-door wardrobe with a lot of hanger space all the way over here, and it's fantastic. And you'll find that you have very beautiful blackout curtains over here, and this has been thoughtfully put in so that you can have a very beautiful weekend getaway vibe. And if you open it, it leads you into the balcony. And this balcony is basically facing the northwest. In front of us is already Tanah Merah MRT. Right across, you can see that white building over there. That's Optima at Tanah Merah. This whole stretch is a bunch of Tanah Merah landed. If you follow this strip in, it will take you into Simpang, Bedok. And then you can see far beyond over there, you got industrial buildings, and that's the FedEx building. Further down, as the MRT track winds down, you'll see Expo over there. And then far beyond, you can even see the Changi Airport Control Tower. Let's talk about location. You're very close to Tanah Merah MRT, which you already know. One stop down, you're going to Bedok, where you got Bedok Mall. If you want to go back down, then you've got Jewel at Changi Airport, which is Tanah Merah is the interchange, right? It's easy for you to get around. If you go out here, you turn left, you can basically go on to the PIE. It brings you down to Tuas. If you turn right, you're going down to PIE Changi Airport. So if you've been enjoying this home tour so far, kindly smash that like button because we would love to bring you more just like this, and consider subscribing to this channel. So right now, let's talk about the potential. This property is currently the second youngest in this whole Tanah Merah cluster. If you have a look over here, right across us is Optima, and there's going to be a launch for that plot of land that is just wedged in between Optima and you've got Urban Vista all the way to the far end. That middle plot is going to come up as Seneca and is bound to be launched anytime now. Check out this unit mix over here. So the smallest unit is actually 463 square feet, and if you just do an aggregation of $2,000 per square feet, then you'll find yourself buying the cheapest unit at 926,000 odd plus minus. So if you look at an aggregation towards a $2,100 and a $2,200 per square feet, you can see the price climbs all the way into 1.018 million for a one bedroom, which makes our unit over here look significantly more affordable. And if you just look at the competitor, which is the most recent addition over here, and this is Grandeur Park, they've already seen apple-to-apple transactions in the 850,000-870,000 range for similar size 400 plus square feet one bedrooms. So if this feels like your next weekend home or your next investment, then feel free to give us a call. I'm Nick Tan, selling Singapore, and everything you see here is what you'll get. I'll see you soon. Welcome to the unit. So let's... why cannot close?